Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Max Arm with hand wheel. The Kupo Max Arm with hand wheel consists of a hex 5/8 inch baby stud with a 1/4 female thread attached to a ball joint on one side, and the other side is the same except it has a 3/8 inch 16th female thread. Each ball joint sits in the collar with a notch that lets you create a right angle between the arm and the stud. In the center, between the two arm segments, you have an elbow joint that is secured by an oversized, rubber-covered hand wheel that makes it easy to crank down nice and tight. And for extra strength, there are two thermoplastic rosettes to prevent the elbow joint from slipping. With the combination of the male studs and the female threads, you have a ton of rigging possibilities with loads up to 8.8 pounds. Let's mount this Light and Motion Stella 5000 LED light to the riser section of this Kupo high roller stand. First, we'll mount this Kupo supervisor clamp on the stand by placing the jaws around the riser section and then turning the large wing nut clockwise until secure. Press and hold the silver button while inserting one of the Max Arm's 5/8 inch baby studs into the hex receiver and tighten the knob until secure. Mount the light onto the other stud and secure with the knob. Hold the light with one hand and loosen the hand wheel counterclockwise until all joints loosen simultaneously. Position the light fixture where you'd like, then tighten the hand wheel clockwise until all joints are locked into place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.